Go ahead.
Hi everybody, this is Vijay Chandra, basically a dairy farmer and founder of the DAPP recognized startup Star Bovine Farm Management. Current Indian situation, the milk crop in India is around 91.5 billion US dollars, and out of this 2/3 milk produced is from the marginal and small dairy farmers. So this is, we can say that on an average, an Indian dairy animal is producing around 4 liters of milk per day, whereas when it is compared to other European and US countries, it is 25 liters per day on an average. So this gap is mainly due to the conventional methods and practices done by the marginal farmers. So we have come out with a solution called Star Herd Pro, which is a virtual dairy manager for small farmers. We use artificial intelligence and data analytics for improving farm profitability. And this application is more friendly usable, and it is we can provide all the services of providing professional consultancy services on a click away. And this application manages the resources efficiently, enhancing the coverage area of a given professional. The application, the platform serves in the fields of health, breeding, nutrition, fodder, management, calf and healthcare, record maintenance, and additionally we have a call center for the farmers. And the target market is state governments, dairy cooperatives, federations, private dairies, and individual farmers. And our business projection is in the coming financial year, we want to establish ourselves throughout the Telangana state, and every financial year we want to add new state to that. That is, in 21-22 we will be adding Andhra Pradesh. In 22-23 we will be adding Karnataka, and 23-24 we will be adding Tamil Nadu and Kerala. 24-25 we will be adding Maharashtra and Orissa. So the 5 years revenue projection is, year 1 we are expecting a revenue of 6.33 crores, and in the year 2 23.93, year 3 33.18, year 4 45.94, and year 5 62.28. And this is almost 1.5% of the market what we are targeting. And we are founder and co-founder, myself Vijay Chandra, and the co-founder is George Dominic. He is a master in veterinary science and PhD in nutrition, and this is our team. We have done a pilot project to show the proof of concept to Vijaya Dairy, which is a Telangana state-run cooperative federation. So we were allotted 5 villages in 3 different districts to show the proof of concept, and we were very successful in that. We have done this project on 136 farmers, and out of them 169 were cows and 165 were buffaloes of these farmers. And immediate revenue potential is, we are going to sign a contract with TSDDCF, which is Telangana Government Cooperative Federation, which has a daily procurement of 4.5 liters and a member base of 68,000 farmers and animal base of 3 lakh. And apart from this, we are in the finalizing stage of strategic alliances with Alta Genetics, which is world #1 bovine genetics company, and Chemin Nutrition, a US-based molecular solution provider for dairy farmers, and GIA Westphalia, which is a German automation company, dairy automation company. And our immediate competitors are in India, Stella Apps, and Cow Manager is from UK, and Afi Farm is from Afi Milk, Israel. And the funds we are asking will be utilized for piloting, farmer acquisition, research and development, infrastructure development, human resource training and logistics, data storage and security. Thank you. And the revenue model is, we will be charging 1 rupee 17 paisa per liter of milk per day, which is being procured by these cooperatives.
So what is the amount you need for piloting?
Piloting we have done. So we are going for operation because we are going to sign a contract. Actually, the contract should have been signed on Monday. Due to bureaucracy shuffling, the secretary has been transferred to other department, a new guy has come, so it will be
What is the value of that contract?
See, the Vijay Dairy daily procures 4.5 lakh liters, so we have that mandate. Yeah, it will be around 5 lakh rupees per day, that is 1.5 crore, so that is the higher side.
Okay.
It will be 24%.
Just show me your
before
interest
tax.
so that we know.
Yeah, this is something given by the cooperative or federation in the welfare of the farmer, so that the farmer produces more milk out of our services. And in the pilot project, we showed somewhere around 22% of increase in the milk production.
Do you have any question, Hemant? Okay, I don't see any interest around the table. Thank you very much. We'll keep trying with the next.
Thank you.
Do let us know when the contract is signed.